Okay guys, so I just got done playing on Steam VR, and I just realized something. I hate having these on my list. Steam streaming speakers and Steam streaming microphone. So this is a dedicated tutorial on how to delete these permanently. A lot of the other YouTube tutorials that I've seen um, on YouTube, they're just not the right one. They always are like, well, so you delete this, but then I would delete it and it would work. But they all only they would do was they would just disable it. And I'm gonna show you how to permanently remove them. All of those guys just show you how to disable Steam streaming speakers and the microphone. But I do not want to do that. I want to permanently remove those two things off of my system. So if we go to Files and go to this PC, Windows, and now go to search windows and type in Steam. Just type in Steam. That's all I want you to do. And then it might take a little bit to load. It normally does. And by the way, guys, if you're new, please like and subscribe to the channel. It would help out a ton. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of 2025, so that, I mean, just anything will help, really. Like, subscribe, share it with your family and friends. I really want some stuff. So as it's loading right now, see drivers. These are drivers. So yeah, wow. So these sometimes, like, all this stuff here, this is also just for like normal Steam stuff. So we are not going to try to delete everything in here. Just the thing that says Steam streaming VR, like microphone and stuff. Yeah, see, there's tons of stuff, and most of this is actually for the actual Steam app, and some War Thunder things are on here because that's the only game that I have installed. So yeah. Anyway, so once you're on this thing, it's just to confirm that you actually have the Steam streaming microphone and the Steam streaming speakers. So once you know that, go on your keyboard and click search and type in device manager. So once you go here, it's an automatic app that's always installed. You never have to like change anything on it. It's always here. So click open. Now you should get this page. That doesn't really help actually. So on this page, if you click where it says audio inputs and outputs, right here, the Steam streaming microphone, and then we got I don't know why there's two of those. One's an actual microphone, but one's it says that it's actually speakers, so I do not know. But the goal is we'd remove all of these. So click here. Most of the guys, they would just say disable device. But you go down here to uninstall device, click uninstall, boom, it uninstalls it. Make sure you watch the whole tutorial because there's another thing that you can do, and it actually permanently disables the driver until you do it from Steam. So yeah. So once you have all those deleted, I'm just gonna go ahead and check everything because I don't do this often. So, wow, okay. Let's go ahead and go to those keyboards. I believe it's in here. Sound, video, and game controllers. Yeah. So, if you guys go in here, Steam streaming microphone. I double click to get to this page. So do this, do uninstall device, and also you can disable the driver, which is a permanent disable until you re-enable it in Steam. So go ahead and do that. And And do the exact same for this. Steam streaming speakers. So you should be left with something like this. I have an GeForce graphics card, so mine's gonna look a lot different than yours, maybe, if you have the exact same graphics card. Cool. I'll really like mine. Anyway, I'm just checking everywhere else. So that's it for in here. Now, you need to launch Steam, and you could just close out of that. You don't need like click like a save button or anything. So now, click this button right up here. Settings. And now, if you scroll down, you should see Remote Play. Unpair all of your devices, and now disable that. I'm just, you know, it's probably good that you just check everything before you do that. This is a new section. That's cool. I'm just gonna check everything real quick, cause you know sometimes there's other stuff. Yeah, I think that's it. You know, if you want, you could go ahead and add me on Steam too. That'd be awesome. So yeah. Once you verify that you don't actually have it installed anymore, you can go here, go back to your file explorer, go to this PC, Windows, now type in Steam, and now wait just a little bit. This is real time, by the way. I'm not speeding up the video. Boom. Steam streaming is gone. Even if I could probably type in that. Or here, let's just go ahead and delete Steam and see what pops up whenever we do streaming. 64 Microsoft. Okay, so those are for Microsoft. We don't want to mess with those. But if it says Windows, yeah, that's just the Microsoft one. You need to keep those, or else I think that's something for like your microphone or screen recording. I'm screen recording through my GPU right now, so not the internal screen recording. So yeah, you just do that, and you just really uninstalled all of your drivers, and instead of disabling them, you actually permanently uninstalled them, which is awesome, I think, because all these other tutorials would get them wrong. Which, yeah, it's really nice. And if you want, go ahead and type in VR on Steam. I'm just going to do this because I don't want to use Steam VR anymore, because with my Wi-Fi, it's really glitchy. And I don't want to have a cable connected to my PC whenever my room's kind of tiny to play in. So yeah, just go here and click uninstall. And it says, would you like to uninstall Steam VR from this device? It will remain in your game libraries, but in the future, you will need to re-download all of its content. And it's not going to like lose any of your settings or your progress or anything like that. But yeah, so just click uninstall. And now it's uninstalled. So if you go here, and now you could actually close out of this. Go back into File Explorer, this PC, yeah. Now type in VR. Oh, well, hang on. Steam VR. Give it a second. This is still real time. Okay. So, like I said, it's going to keep all the stuff for Steam VR, but it's just going to be contained all in this, all in your PC. See, it's the logs on Steam. And right here, Steam VR settings. This is your settings file. So, like I said, you're not going to lose anything. And this all backs up to Steam, so you're not going to lose anything. This is just the icon for it too. It's pretty cool. I don't know why there's two of those. They're the exact same name, exact same size, same dimension. But yeah, all of this is just your Steam stuff, and yeah, VR settings. So you can close out of this, and yeah, now you're done. Go back here, here, boom. Nothing says Steam besides these, which are for the app. Like if I wanted to listen to the sound on War Thunder, it comes through Steam, and then yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment what other stuff or gaming tutorials you'd like to see. Bring us studios if you ever come across my channel. I love your videos. So yeah, thanks.